What was that like?
First paintball experience. My son was invited to a birthday party, paintball
So we
party.
worked together. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So I was like, well, what do what's this involved? What do you need? And he was like, well, I don't know. So I said, well, there's a field local. Let's go check it out. So one night we went over there. They had nighttime ball on the Xbox ball field. And, we rented a couple, Tippmann 98s and went on the field, and I didn't know anything how to play.
Hmm.
And I just asked the guy, what do you do? He says, yeah, you just run behind one of these things and shoot somebody. I'm like, oh,
Simple enough.
okay, simple enough. So, you run out there with a rental and everyone else has, DM6s and they
Hmm.
chew you up. So the first time I got obliterated, I said, okay, I understand how to play this and
So
went
what year
at
was
it.